Hey guys, Coach Lola here, California, USA. So gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo yung isang company sa Philippines na sinusuportahan ko ngayon, and I recently joined, 1 week pa lang po ako, and I do really like their program because na-adapt nila yung program ng isang business ko dito sa USA, no? So gustong-gusto ko po yung business nila, that is ito sa taas, ilalagay ko po dyan, seacrestphilippines.com. I really want to support you and grow with you, no? Kaumpisa lang po ng business nila. They started last May, I believe, and ang grand launching po sa Cebu is September 17. So gusto po namin kayong makasama dito sa business na to before the grand launching, dahil malaki po ang magiging pagbabago ng buhay ninyo, in my point of view with this business. So, sasali ka po dito sa ating tinatawag na online shop, no? You can do this anytime you want, anywhere you want. Ang maganda po dito, walang pressure. You sell when you like or you buy when you like, no? Wala pong quota dito. And wala pong binary like that. So, pag join mo po, it's only 2,996, no? Makakatanggap ka na ng 6 products, no? Ano-ano po yung products na yon? It's yung kanilang seaweed snacks, no? Number 1, napakasarap. The 2 flavors po yan. And also yung soap, no? This whitening soap po ay may glutathione and seaweed infused, and na whitening, natin yan, whitening soap, bar soap, na napakabigat, maganda ang quality, and also yung kanilang lotion, no? Sa lotion naman po, meron din siyang glutathione, seaweed infused na din, and meron siyang collagen, no? May collagen. So, yung lotion nila, pwede mong magamit yan sa face, sa body, sa hands, no? Sa feet kung gusto mo, at napakamura po ng kanilang mga products because ang kanilang program is membership club. Okay? So membership club meaning magsusubscribe kayo monthly, at ang kagandahan dito, yung subscription mo sulit na sulit, no? 498 lang. May 2 products ka pang matatanggap. Plus eventually kung magiging loyal subscriber ka at gumagamit ka ng products nila, no, you continuously use it and mag-order ka, and eventually, no, meron ka ring commission kahit wala ka pong nai-invite or wala kang nabebenta. No po, ganun siya kaganda. But of course, gusto namin na matulungan ng company, so i-promote po natin hanggang maaga. Kasama namin kayo sa paglaki ng company na to, 'di ba? Masarap po yung ganon. And talagang susuportahan ko po yung company na to because we are proud Filipinos, di po ba? Yes, so I hope mag-join kayo sa aking team. Okay? So, nandyan po yung link, www.seacrestphilippines.com. That is my referral link. And makikita nyo yung pangalan ko dyan. I'm Engineer Lola po. And retired civil engineer na po ako sa Armed Forces. And I'm doing all the online business. Kapag nagustuhan ko po yung products at nakita kong mura siya at kapaki-pakinabang, walang masasaktan, ano po ako dyan, push ko yan, maipupush ko yan. Okay? So I hope ito na po yung hinihintay ninyong company, ito na po yung hinihintay ninyong product, wala pong madidihado dito. I'm telling you, gumagamit ka lang ng products, kumakain ka lang ng masarap na merienda, at ginagamit mo lang yung lotion mo, pinagaganda mo lang yung mga kutis mo, di ba? So, and pwede ka nang magkaroon din ng income. So, tulong-tulong po tayo, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano po ang aking ginagawang marketing with this in this online business para po mabilis ninyong mapalago yung inyong negosyo. All right? So, let's talk soon. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Message me. Bye-bye.